Welcome friends. I hope you are all happy. So I'm not time waste and start today top 10 GK video. First question is, who was the first Assamese writer to receive Sahitya Academy Award? A. Nalinibala Devi. B. Jatindranath Dovara. C. Benudhar Sharma. D. Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. Right answer is option B. Jatindranath Dovara. Next question is, Adhalikha Dostebaj is the autobiography of A. Homing Borgohain. B. Birendra Nath Sakya. C. Mamoni Raisam Goswami. D. None of the above. Right answer is option C. Mamoni Raisam Goswami. Next question is, name the place where the Manas River joins the Brahmaputra River. A. Abhyapuri. B. Jogi Ghopa. C. Barpeta. D. None of the above. Right answer is option B. Jogi Ghopa. Next question is, which of the following refinery was established due to Assam Accord? A. Guwahati. B. Bongaigaon. C. Numaligarh. D. Digboy. Right answer is option C. Numaligarh. Next question is, which river flows through Nemri National Park? A. Jia B. Brahmaputra. C. Subansiri. D. Bonodi. Right answer is option A. Jia. Next question is, which tribe introduced sericulture in Assam? A. Garo. B. Duri. C. Fakil. D. Bodo. Right answer is option D. Bodo. Next question is, which of the following is the first Assamese romantic poem? A. Bin Boragi. B. Pratima. C. Bon Kovari. D. None of the above. Right answer is option C. Bon Kovari. Next question is, the logo of the Assam Sahitya Sabha was designed by A. Shobha Brahma. B. Jugal Das. C. Mitradev Mehant. D. None of the above. Right answer is option B. Jugal Das. Next question is, in which year Sangeet Natak Academy recognized Satriya as a classical dance? A. 1994. B. 1996. C. 1998. D. 2000. Answer is option D. 2000. Next question is, what is Gumrag? A. Music. B. Dance. C. Instrument. D. Special clothes. Right answer is option B. Dance. Next question is, who was the first recipient of a Som Ratna Award? A. Dr. Mamoni Raisam Goswami. B. Dr. Jitendra Nath Goswami. C. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. D. None of the above. Right answer is option C. Bhupendra Hazarika. If this video is helpful, then subscribe my channel, EduJobInfo, for more updates. Thank you.